This is a Bian stone. Any stone would work with the comb that has the individual little spikes on it. Okay, sometimes these come in rose quartz, sometimes they come in amethyst. I like the Bian stone. It's more earthy metal, and I'm usually using this on my men clients with a beard because this really helps lift the hair off the skin. You can use it during a cleanse. You can use it during a mask. Awesomely, you can use it with our Remedy Rehab Oil. But what it does, it helps a little light exfoliation, right? As you're moving it around the beard, it helps product penetration. If you have some nice, Remedy Rehab Oil in there. And it also brings circulation to the skin. So it's more adaptive to the other protocols and treatments that you're going to use. So the Bian stone is one of my favorite. I use it as a cleansing tool. I use it as a massage tool. And guess what? It just feels really nice on the skin. Right, Colin?